Amazon, Tata raise concerns about e-commerce rules with Centre. Hello and welcome to Inventiva. This is Palak Yadav presenting to you today's big news. Online retailers, including representatives from Amazon and Tata, met government officials to raise concerns about the tough new rules for e-commerce announced last month that were seen as a major blow for their business models, sources said. At a meeting earlier in the day, executives from the companies told the Department of Consumer Affairs that they were worried about the proposed rules and asked what the July 6 deadline for submitting comments be extended, like the sources. Key issues raised included the restriction on flash sales, definition of related parties and compliance of norms for e-commerce majors, they said, adding that the government officials asked for written feedback on the rules. The government's tough new e-commerce rules announced on June 21st, aimed at strengthening protection for consumers and small retailers, were met with concerns among the country's online sellers, especially market leaders Amazon and Flipkart. New rules limiting flash sales, barring misleading advertisements, and mandating a complaint system, amongst other proposals, could force the likes of Amazon and Flipkart to review other business structures and may increase costs for domestic rivals including Reliance Industries, JioMart, BigBasket, and Snapdeal. Amazon argued that COVID-19 had already hit small businesses and the proposed rules will have a huge impact on its sellers, arguing that some clauses were already covered by existing law. News agency Reuters told, citing sources who asked not to be named as discussions were private. The proposed policy states e-commerce firms must ensure none of their related enterprises are listed as sellers on their websites. That could impact Amazon in particular, as it holds an indirect stake in at least two of its sellers, Cloudtail and Appareo. On the proposed clause, a representative of Tata's Sons argued that it was problematic, citing an example to say it would stop Starbucks, which has a joint venture with Tata in India, from offering its products on Tata's marketplace website, Reuters reported. The Tata executive said that the rules will have wide ramifications for conglomerate and could restrict sales of the private brand's, sources said Reuters. Tata declined to comment. The sources said that a consumer ministry official argued that the rules were meant to protect consumers and were not as strict as those of other countries. The ministry did not respond to a request for comment. A Reliance executive told Reuters that the proposed rules would boost consumer confidence, but added that some clauses need clarification. Reliance did not respond to requests for comment again. The rules were announced last month amid growing complaints from India's brick and mortar retailers that Amazon and Flipkart bypass foreign investment law using complex business structures. The companies deny any wrongdoing. Reuters had reported in February that Amazon documents that showed it gave preferential treatment to a small number of its sellers and bypassed the foreign investment rules. Amazon has said it does not give favorable treatment to any seller. The government will soon issue certain clarifications on the foreign investment rules, Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal told reporters on Friday, accusing the large online retailers of arrogance and of flouting laws by indulging in predatory pricing practices.